Hey guys, Joey here, Cannon's RV. So today we're working on a Rexall Airbus. Last time we were here, we installed a Norcold refrigerator in the RV. Replaced the old one because the old one's cooling unit went out. Turned out great. Customer ended up wanting the black plastic look. It's very nice. So a 1997 Rexall Airbus. This thing has spent most of its life indoors, so like it's really nice still. We're having a problem here with the faucet. So the way that they did this back in the day is they used this gray line, and this gray line is pretty brittle normally. So it's not brittle on his, but I'm gonna try to show you guys here what we're dealing with. The problem is there's no reach, and I can't remove the sink. I can't remove the countertop. Basically, the way it's built, I almost would have to demo it, but we're not going to demo it. I'll figure it out one way or the other. But as you can see there, it's right up on the floor or the bottom side of the countertop, and that fitting, if it's cracked, broken, I mean, it's really tough to get up in there and replace it because it's just such a narrow area to work with. So I don't know what they were thinking when they built this RV, but there literally is no service panels, nothing. There's a small little square area here that's 14 by 14. So 14 inches by 14 inches. And then I was looking at how to remove the sink, and there's even a wall here, and it's solid. Like, it has so many screws in it holding it in, it's insane. When I tell people RVs are not built the same way, like back in the day, they used to build them a lot differently. This thing has real wood in it, and so it can be very tough to work around. So it's like, okay, well, I'll just take this drawer out over here, and I'll gain access to the side here. No. So they sealed it all off, and they basically just made it nearly impossible to access. So the only other solution really would be to like create an access panel in the back there, and then try to make it look good again, which I could definitely do, but it's better than demoing the entire thing. But realistically, the plumbing in this RV needs to be replaced because it is this old gray stuff. They used to put this in mobile homes and houses back in the day. I forget what they call it because it's been a while since I ran into it, but it is not allowed in homes today, and we don't like to use it in RVs at all, and they don't use it in the newer RVs. They use the same stuff they use in homes for the most part. So if you get into RVs that are in the 90s and you're replacing your own faucet or even your own plumbing or anything for that matter, just keep it in mind that if you got this gray stuff, it can be very brittle and it can turn into a huge job instead of a quick half-hour swap to change out a faucet. So, but I just thought I'd share, let you guys know what we're currently working on here at Cannon's RV. So if you guys have any questions, comment below, and thanks for watching.